What if two mid-range consumer GPUs, the kind you can actually afford, could run a full AI agent team locally, with near GPT-4 quality output? This week that stopped being a hypothetical for me. I stacked two RTX 3060s, loaded up a brand new model architecture, and within hours one of my agents had fully taken over a daily content pipeline I built from scratch. But nothing went smoothly getting there. Let me show you exactly what broke, what surprised me, and what's now running on autopilot. Here's the honest version. My system crashed twice because my AI assistant kept downloading large model files. We're talking 17 gigabytes, straight to the root partition instead of the data SSD. Ubuntu froze mid-session both times when the drive hit 0. Then my WhatsApp integration completely fell apart. Two competing credential configs fighting over the same socket. I had to SSH in manually, wipe everything, and rescan the QR code from scratch. And my new local agent kept crashing silently with zero useful error messages. Just, something went wrong. Extremely helpful. Every painful hour bought a permanent rule. Rule 1. Run dfh/ before any download. Not sometimes. Every single time. Large files go to the data SSD. Full stop. This is now written into my agent's permanent memory and every project doc. Rule 2. When a local LLM agent crashes with a vague error, check two things first. Is Ollama still warming up and timing out? Ollama can take 15 to 20 seconds to load a model cold. And second, is there a missing auth config entry? Those two causes covered almost every mystery crash I hit this week. Here's the part that genuinely blew my mind. Google just released the Gemma 4 model family, and the 26B Mo variant only activates around 4 billion parameters at inference time. So you get output quality close to what much larger models produce. But it runs faster than most 7B dense models. Now stack that on two RTX 3060s with 12 GB each. 24 GB of VRAM total. And the GPU layer splitting just works automatically. No manual config. The 17 GB model loads across both cards. And I still had headroom to run two smaller supporting models at the same time. One machine. 3 models. 0 cloud. Within hours of going live, my new routine work agent had already claimed full ownership of my daily chess puzzle pipeline. This is a workflow I built from scratch. It pulls a puzzle, generates the content, formats it, and publishes a YouTube short every single day, automatically. I didn't ask the agent to take it over. I just gave it access and context. And it's self-assigned. That moment felt like a genuine shift. And this lines up with what the broader AI agent research community is reporting this week too. Top benchmark results are being broken. And the gap between benchmark performance and real production usefulness is finally starting to close. If there's one takeaway from this week, the hardware barrier for running real AI agents locally is gone. Two mid-range GPUs and the right model architecture is genuinely enough to run a production-grade agent team. The blockers now are configuration, tooling, and building good habits, like always checking your disk space before a model download. I'll link everything in the description. The model family I'm using, the GPU setup, and the agent memory protocol. If you're building your own agent systems, drop a comment. I read every one. Subscribe if you want the unfiltered version of what's actually working. See you next build.